welcome again. Don't mind the noise again. So we have up another package. Let's tear it up. Humidifier. There you go. Actually it's turn up. This one comes as it is. It has the charger. The super silent night light, as they say. It's rated capacity to 60 ml. You put the water in there. Spray for 6 hours. Rated power 1.5 to 2 watts. Interference figure 3. 5 volts. Light always on. Blah blah blah. So first, let's put. Actually, it comes with the cable and some paper. Let's put some water in it and see how it goes. So I plugged it in, added some water. Moment of truth. There you go. Would you look at that? And it keeps changing color. I don't know if you can see it. It keeps changing color, blue. It keeps changing color. I don't know if you can see it, but still it's amazing. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.